Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for a long time, and one of my clients was having an issue with getting their fence styles to copy from one file to another. So here we are, we've got a fence style. We really want to put this into this project here. So what do? We go to our fence styles, we drag and drop that into our fence, but it won't go into that fence styles folder. And the big issue is why? Well, what's going wrong with that? If you have your view set to icons, then you can see them easily. If you get rid of the preview pane, then you can't see the icon for the folder. So let's take a step back. Let's go back to our kitchen. Let's just have a look at the icon here. The icon actually looks a little bit like a gradient. Now when I create a new folder in this project, in the selected file, you'll notice that first of all it comes up with gradient. Let me change that to a symbol folder and I'll call it my fences. Now you'll notice that the fences icon is quite different. So when I go back to my project, let's grab that fence style, let's drag that into fences. Now fences highlights because it's the right type of folder. So the thing to look for is the type of icon that's on each of these folders, because now you can see I've got a hatches folder, I've got a textures folder, I've got a symbol parts folder, I've got a materials parts. So you need to create the right type of folder if you're going to import your information. So when you go new folder, let's do it in the selected file, make sure you've chosen the right type of folder, otherwise you won't be able to copy your information into that folder accurately. Hey, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this movie. Become a subscriber. A lot of people don't subscribe to my movies, but it really does help. Honestly, it really helps when you subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified. But if you want to get into more detail, you want to see the detail, you want to attend the workshops, become a member and start to attend the workshops so that we can cover this every month for you. Thanks for watching.